Sorry about that, folks. Things have gone on for about an hour because the battery went flat. So it's been in soaking for an hour. So I'll try and get back to it. I can't remember where I was, so you just have to start with me. Right, we've got it full up. We've got loads of stuff in there washing. Okay, you've got these little tong things if you want to use them. Okay, depends if you're using poisonous washing fluid or you're just using this stuff. Okay, so you put a little bit of lemon juice in, a little bit of bicarbonate of soda, close it up. Right, and it shouldn't be hard. Right, you don't want to overload it, and you want to really give it a good old wobble about in there. It says on the instructions for these 6 minutes. I've actually read the original instructions, and it says you do this for 6 minutes. But what I do, I've got as much time as I want, so I put it in there. I do it for a few minutes, and then I leave it, let it soak. Come back, give it another go. Just keep doing it like that. You can actually buy one manual washing machine now, but I think you've got to get it in the States. And it's been made for years and years and years, but it's incredibly expensive. I think touching £1,000, but I don't know. I haven't really researched it because I prefer older stuff anyway. But that machine's been made for years and years. There's a hippie chick in America. If you do a YouTube search for vintage washing machines, I think it is, or hand washing machines, there's a sexy little hippie chick on some commune somewhere, I think, or in a cabin or something like that, and she's got one of these machines and it looks really good, and she bought hers new. It's got a little mangle on it and stuff like that, so you can search for that as well. And to the hippie chick, well done, I like your video. Right, so that's it. Okay, that's been in there for ages, so that's done now. Right, so you take it up slowly. On the top you've got adjustment, okay, that moves the rollers of your mangle up or down. So what I want to do, I'll put it about halfway down first of all. And then you get your out, whatever it is. And what I do, I've never ironed in my life, but actually sort of iron stuff as well. Fold it into 4 like that. And it's quite simple. That's all there is to it. And it wrings out so much. It comes out virtually dry, to be honest. Again, if you want to get even more out, crank it down a bit more. The slower you go through, it seems to wring out even more. Maintenance on these, okay? You take it off, turn it over, there's 4 screws. Huge cogs, so it's never going to wear out. You'll never destroy one of these. Just a little bit of grease on each of the screws, each of the cogs. And that's cool. Right, so that's wrung out. So it just falls down the back, and I've got my little bucket in the bottom there. Do another one for you. I'll put a bit of music on so it's not boring.
The autumn evenings filled with copper shades. I see the birds necking the frame. A figure walks into the sunset. Someone goes past suspended from the sky. Takes more imagination when everything's remote control. For me it's just a case of what's on the far side of the road. Tell everybody I'm going away for 10 years. I'm going to wicklow hills, the travelling children in their Sunday clothes, lost on the corner of the street, fat gypsy ladies next door in the pit.
I usually do things twice.
A farm dog gets out on the motorway.
Okay. That's how much I put in there.
Takes more
I usually put more than that in there actually.
when everything's remote control. For me it's just a case of what's on the far side of the road. Tell everybody I'm going away for 10 years. I'm going to
And that's it. Simple as that. How hard can washing be? And how much fun it can be when you actually have time in your life.
Tell everybody I'm going
The world's going mental, so just step out of it. Let the nutters carry on with the madness.
to wander among the wicklow hills, among the wicklow hills,
The words of this song are good actually.
among the
Christy
wicklow
Moore.
hills.
Anyway, that's that. There's me washing, and I just hang it out in the room like I showed you earlier. Thanks Rachel, you're awesome. Hope your head's alright. I love my machine.